Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk VK2200 screen tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the sharpness of the display. To do it, firstly, you need to click on the M button if key is locked, so click and hold on A button, wait until clear key lock image will appear on your screen, then click M again, scroll down to the sharpness, click M and change it to 4. 4 is the max sharpness point. And we can, of course, make 0 sharpness point, as you want. And then click A to confirm. Sorry, maybe not A, but M to confirm, yes. And then click A to close this settings menu. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.